ba si Laura?
Ngayon po palang siya nakikilala.
Ngayon pa lang nakikilala.
Tama
naman.
Standards mo.
Medyo ano ko muna, ano?
Sure.
Ikaw, Francis Joseph, top 3 na crush mo na musician na babae sa Pilipinas. Ano to kung ari ba yun?
Kuwari pa ito eh, no?
Sino?
Barbie! Okay.
Andiyan ba siya? That's all the time we have.
Okay.
The Bel&Joey. Sino ba?
Karen.
Wag iyak si Enzo.
Okay lang yan, everybody loves.
Tol.
Okay, Enzo din yun.
Ano? Tol, ano? May pagkakarinig ko, sorry ah. So we only have 5 minutes to go. Okay, because our band is late, you know, and so we only have 5. Pero pwede pa sila bumalik dito to do a live performance, eh. So pwede pa rin naman.
Or do you want to perform a song live? For us?
Gusto mong yung last song?
Sige, perform na.
Sige.
Habang nagsiset up sila, pasasalamatan namin yung mga sponsors namin.
The Music Source, the youngest and
Most
like
well-liked music store in the country, featuring good gear like Ampeg,
and we will have more brands to go.
Mapex drum sets.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa Lyric para sa aking ESP guitars and LTD guitars. Black Star nasa Lyric na, pati ang Elixir. Check out the 2012 ESP catalog. Nandiyan ako and others.
Yes, and others.
Tulad ng nila Parkway Drive and some band named Metallica, nandiyan. And huwag niyo kalimutan i-check out Lyric. And Pulp Magazine, kita niyo naman ang aga ng aming issue, Periphery on the March cover of
Cindy Lauper live in Manila.
March 17.
And then Pop SummerSlam.
SummerSlam.
Featuring 12 bands, 6 international bands, Periphery, Became as Romance,
August Burns Red,
Bless the Fall,
Darkest
Star, and Arch
Dream
Enemy,
Theater.
Metallica, Jimi Hendrix,
Led Zeppelin.
Jimmy Eat World. Huwag niyo kalimutan, Taking Back Sunday, dadalhin daw dito. Hindi ko alam kung sino, pero tayo nun.
Yes!
Dadalhin A Day to Remember, A Day Before Cindy Lauper. So, panoorin, supportahan din natin. Supportahan natin lahat ng music, para lang yung hindi natin kapatid.
Yes! Ayun ba mga nag-guest dito na napipirwan?
Thank you very much. Makaka-witness kayo isang performance from Sound City Silence, and we'll also play one last song from them, Next to You, which is supposedly the next single from the band. Is that the first single that you'll be releasing? Or? And if you want to contact Sound City Silence, all you have
text
to do
me
is,
so that you know.
pwede nyo kaming kontakin for gigs ng Sound City Silence. Meron na tayo tinatawag na handler's fee, referral fee, and of course, mga taxes tulad ng VAT.
Yes.
2.5 per song, per member, 2.5 din. And
100 lang mapupunta.
pero kung gusto nila kayong kontakin, how do they do that?
Facebook?
Facebook's the easiest way.
Sound City, facebook.com/Sound City Silence.
Sound City Silence. Can they
Twitter din
also
kami.
hear the 3 tracks doon sa Facebook page nila?
Meron din kami yung Twitter page,
Twitter.
Sound City Silence.
Sound City Y Silence.
It's CTY because it didn't have room for the
CTY,
I.
okay. Sound City CTY Silence on Twitter, and kung gusto niyo silang i-book ng gigs, you're still free. May conditions ba? Kailangan weekend, pwede weekday.
Usually,
Weekdays after 11:30 p.m.
After 11:30.
Weekdays after 11, don't forget, and 10:05 performance.
Yes.
Pakidiretso na lang dito yung pera.
Done.
Yes. We'll give it to the artists, you know, they're artists.
Kami na yung manager nila.
Yeah.
Can't you tell we're starving artists? Just look at us.
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay.
Ako po. And of course, Edsel also spearheads the Kaguluhan Music Festival.
So they will be part of the Kaguluhan this year.
40,000 for
Yes.
Sound City Silence.
Grabe.
38.
US dollars.
US dollars?
It's not an American passport.
All of them will be nude.
Hey.
There I go now. And we're gonna be hearing a song from the band. Anong kanta madidinig natin?
Next to you na acoustic.
Next to you na acoustic. And we're gonna be back after this, but we have time for only a few more questions. So log on lang kayo sa DigRadio.ph. Again, we will not read your questions. Pero mas
We
cool,
don't care.
mas cool lang talaga kung nagta-type kayo dyan. And
May ginagawa
may
kayo.
ginagawa kayo para maligyan naman ng hits sa DigRadio. And this is a track from Sound City Silence. So manahimik muna kayo dyan sa mga bahay nyo. And makinig kayo. And we'll be back.
Hawak mo lang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Jump in the car, I've got miles to go, but it's never too far with the ones I love the most. Take time, mistakes behind. These bonds are etched in our sated smiles, and I'm desperate, never reach out. Not wasting time, get back in line. But I feel complete next to you. With every kick jumping, my heart pounds too next to you. Screaming my heart out next to you. Sing till we can't shout. Dreaming when I'm next to you. When we're dreaming when I'm next to you. Yeah. Turning one, turn it upside down. Can you spot the difference between silence and sound? Give it away just like the day. We'll kiss the lines between the city lights and fall asleep tonight. I'm medicated lullabies. Give it a name, I won't the same. 'Cause I feel complete next to you. With every kick jumping, my heart pounds too next to you. Screaming my heart out next to you. Sing till we can't shout. Dreaming when I'm next to you. When we're dreaming when I'm next to you. Yeah. Next to you, my heart can't beat harder. Next to you, my lungs can't breathe farther. When I'm next to you, screaming my heart out next to you. Sing till we can't shout. Dreaming when I'm next to you. When we're dreaming when I'm next to you. Yeah.
And that was Next to You off the upcoming album the upcoming EP Chasing Melodies, and you heard it here on the BJ Show. And
Galing ng
for,
keyboardista, no?
oh, nga, galing. Parang may pagka-jazz.
Jazzy, man.
Gent. But seriously, you can reach the band at facebook.com/Sound City Silence, or follow them on Twitter, Sound CTY Silence. And
Or Friendster.
Friendster, the newest social networking site.
Why pa yung MySpace?
Hmm?
Yeah.
Mhm. Nice things, okay. And as a reminder, Kaguluhan Music Festival next year.
Yeah, it's in Manila now.
May date na ba?
Wala pa.
Wala bang November?
Yeah, November pa rin.
November.
Ipapapansin lang siya.
Hindi.
Featuring Sound City Silence at
Yes.
40,000 per song.
40,000!
Oo. AGH. And maraming salamat sa The Music Source, the youngest yet
Most like
music store in the
Stag
country.
Awards this year, November.
Of course, Sound City Silence will
Pwede
is
sila mag-perform.
automatically nominated.
Nominated, all of them will lose, of course.
Usawa and
Usawa and Intolerant, our
ating
bands.
Lifetime Achievement Awardees.
Unless, of course, they pay us.
2.5.
2.5.
And huwag natin kalimutan supportahan ang mga products ng The Music Source. Ang Amp,
Atag, RCF, B3, Baymax.
yung Crate, yung Hayden, wag na.
Wag na.
So, maraming salamat sa Lyric for my ESP and LTD guitars.
Also, thank you to RJ.
RJ,
RJ, we will not mention you. You're
RJ.
RJ.
RJ. Maraming salamat kay Nicky Flojo.
Yes, Nikki. RJ.
Ay, wala siya sa RJ. And maraming salamat sa Pulp Magazine, the
Yes.
magazine that I work for and gives me millions.
The best magazine among all the rock magazines.
Isa lang eh. And salamat na rin sa mga kalaban namin,
Yes,
FHM.
FHM, you know you FHM.
And mga hindi natin sponsor, pero we would like to
Yes, we would like to thank Samsung,
Coca-Cola,
Coca-Cola,
Red Horse Beer, Colt
Road,
45.
this road. Thank you.
Maraming salamat para sa cheap na mixer na to.
Yeah, what that?
Galing sa kaaway nila.
Kaaway namin, JB, don't buy from JB. They suck.
Audiophile.
They're our friends, but they suck too because they're not giving us money.
Maraming salamat sa DigRadio.
DigRadio, yes.
Sa Sari Sari Sounds.
Sari Sounds.
Kalaban ng DigRadio. Salamat sa Giho.
Flipish.
Flipish.
Pornhub.com, UGs, thank you very much for the downloads.
Friendster. Maraming salamat kay Manong Fishball sa labas.
Sa labas, sa Giho.
Masarap at libre.
Any acknowledgement or
May endorsements ba ang Sound City Silence or gusto mo
Friends,
salamatan?
Shota, dalawa.
Bate, may gusto murahin.
Brendan, time to shine.
Wala ako dun.
Siya yung nagsabi kanina na...
Oo na, mas magaling sila sa Taken by Cars, so tama ako sila. Wala akong sinasabi.
Sabi ng bassist nila, fuck
Yes,
you, taken by cars.
Fuck you, man. We're better than you.
Amateurs.
Do you want to thank anyone?
Ay,
You guys?
may show siya eh.
Oh, nga pala, you have a show, right? Every Sunday.
Yes, every Sunday morning from 9 to 12 a.m. on RJFM.
RJFM. So don't go to church. Just watch them.
Give me
There's
your
mass
soul.
on Saturday evening.
Yes. Do you wear skimpy shirts, during Sunday mornings?
No, it's
Ah.
freezing in that radio station.
So go to church. There's nothing to see there.
So maraming naka-miniskirt sa church.
Oh, you don't care.
And we'd like to remind everyone, we do not particularly endorse a specific religion. So, cool kayo lahat sa amin, mga Kristiyano, mga Muslim.
Smoke pot, it's up to you.
Pero Ash Wednesday ngayon.
Ngayon, bukas pa. Tuesday pa lang.
It's Wednesday na.
Ay, 12:06.
Okay, sige.
Ash Wednesday.
To you.
Ash Wednesday, ashes to ashes, dust to dust.
Kiss my
Not for your belly
ass.
button, your
And,
asshole.
Okay.
asshole.
The last song coming from
Next to you yung tinugtog nila, pero yung last song nila, next to you din. But this is the official, the first official single and the demo of Next to You. Why?
Birds suddenly appear every time
Ngayon ka sa labas, kanta.
you are near.
Oy! Nakalasig na eh. No? And maraming salamat sa ating guest, ang Sound City Silence. And you can reach them on Facebook. And if you want to book them for gigs, just contact them. Facebook.com/SoundCitySilence. Don't forget March 17th, Cindy Lauper live in Manila. And Pub SummerSlam, April 28th.
Day to remember.
And go to our new building.
A
Barrington
day
Place.
to remember.
National.
Hindi kami yan, pero supportahan nyo rin. And